8:34 a.m. and today is Friday, April 12. So, today is my first day of exam and mamaya pa naman siyang 1 p.m. So, here's me. By the way guys, wala pa akong tablet pen pero I'm using this. And this one is from Brian. Binigay niya sa akin yung birthday niya. Ayan, meron siyang ball pen. Then dito sa taas, meron siyang tip for gadgets. Just a live update. Kakatapos ko lang mag-film ng mga contents for a brand. So now, mag-review naman ako for our defense tomorrow. And by the way, ngayon ako nakapag-update sa inyo kasi sobrang busy ko talaga last week. Like, as in, parang fully scheduled. Hi guys, isa lang ako ngayon sa classroom. Wala pa akong kasama as in, pero yung time namin today is 8:30. Meron kaming summative exam mamaya. So, hindi ko alam nasan yung mga kaklase ko, pero ayun, maaga pa naman. It's currently 7:45 pa lang and 8:30 yung time namin, kaya siguro ang aga ko dito. But ayun, nag-review lang ako and
open mo. Bonita! Ano ba yan? Bilis mo pa kayo. No, kawin mo yung ayan ang patela. Pero action. Diana.
Ang saya nitong pag-ibig, sana ay
Hi guys! Today is Friday. It's April 26, the next day of my birthday. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog that much kahapon kasi nag-enjoy lang talaga kami. And wala naman kami halos ginawa. Kumain lang, nag-video kaya tapos ayun, nag-celebrate lang kami kahapon. So now, I'm going to unbox some of the gifts na binigay nila sa akin and ayan sila. So, let's start first dito sa gift sa akin ni na mommy. Ito siya. Sobrang laki niya and nabuksan ko na to kagabi kasi gusto makita ni mami yung na binubuksan ko siya. So, inopen ko na. Tada! It's a big bunny with a strawberry. Cute. It's color pink, guys. Tapos may hawak siyang strawberry, which is my favorite fruit. And yeah, I super love this. Her name is Berry. For the next is ito naman. Ito yung isa sa pinakamalaki na binili sa akin. And this one is from Hazel. So, thank you so much, Hazel, for this. As in, ang laki niya, guys. So, ayan. It's color pink. And let's open it. Look, cute. Oh my gosh. Ang cute! And then, I don't know what's this. I think it's hindi ko alam kung hindi ko maano yung kanyang, yung mismong niya. Thank you so much, Hazel. I'm going to use this sa gaming chair ko. So, next one is this. This one is from DJ. So, kilala niyo naman na si DJ. Sobrang tagal na nandito. Hala! Ang cute! It's color pink. And then, it's a slippers. Color niya si Barbie talaga. Thank you so much, DJ. Meron pa siya sa loob. Ito, keychain na crochet. So, siya na gumagawa nito, guys. Ilalagay ko sa description box yung kanyang shop if gusto niyo umorder. Ayan, so, this one is from DJ. Thank you so much, DJ. So, next one is this pink paper bag from Joy. Walang pangalan or card, pero si Joy kasi walang nagbigay sa akin ng gift sa school. So, tanda ko siya. Let's open it. Ah! Ang ganda! Oh my gosh! It's a bag! Ah! Ang pretty! Look at that. Ganda ng loob niya, oh. Then, it's color pink. So, perfect to for my And sure guys, I'll definitely use this. Thank you so much, Joy. So, next one is this one. Okay, so this one is from Echo. Wala rin siyang name, pero I remember naman kasi kung sino. So, let's open it, guys. Silky! Ito siya. It's a lamb with a tulip. Ito yung isa sa pinaka gusto ko talagang stuff toy ng Miniso. Ang cute niya, ayun o. Miniso siya. Cute! Thank you so much, Echo. So, next one naman, guys, is ito. This one is from Miniso and this one is from Desiree. Hala! Meron siyang letter. It's so cute. Thank you so much, Desiree. And ito guys yung gift niya. Tada! Ang cute! It's a tulip sponge from Miniso. So guys, na-check ko na to sa Miniso and lahat ng tulips doon gustong-gusto ko talaga. So, thank you, Desiree! So, next one is that naman. Puro mga Miniso na sila. Next one is this from Brianna. So, Miniso again. Siguro sabay-sabay silang bumili mo. How cute! Tada! Ito siya, guys. It's a strawberry, I think. Yes, it's a strawberry plush toy. And let's open it. Hello! Ang cute! Penguin! Sana hindi siya kunin yung mochi. Tatago ko talaga to. It's super cute. As in, ang cute niya. Yung pagka-pink. Okay. Thank you so much, Brianna. So guys, andito na si Mochi. Sabi ko sa inyo yan. Nakita niyo to. It's from Andre. Let's open this. First is itong flower bouquet. Wow. Tulips. So cute. It's my 3 favorite colors, guys. So, ayan. Then, for the main gift, we have here. Uy! This. Para siyang lagay ng cupcake. Pero, iba yung nasa loob niya. Ang cute! Ito guys, yung nasa loob niya. It's a crochet keychain na parang shape siya ni Melody. Oo nga, si Melody siya. Ayan. Ang cutie! Tadaan! Super cute! Thank you so much, Andre. So guys, last 2 paper bags. And next is this. This one is from Azumi. So, tingnan niyo naman yung handwriting niya. It's very unique, guys. The font is so good. Charot. Oh. Akala ko pag open ko yun na, pero nisa pa siyang balot. Hala! Puro tulips! Grabe! Ang cute! The pink tulips pencil case is so pretty. Ayan siya. Thank you so much, Azumi. Gamitin ko to sa college. And for the last gift, this one is from Claire. Yes, this one is from Claire. Ayan, mabigat siya. And sabi niya sa akin, daan-daan daw kasi babasagin ko. So, let's see. Uy! Uy! It's a pink again. Hala! Hat? Oh, cute. Siya lang yung naiba kasi halos sila puro tulips. And this one is Marie. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng kanyang box. Ang ganda ng packaging. Uy! Hala, ang ganda. Ay, wala pala yung design. Tadaan! Ayan yung design niya, guys. Meron siyang takip. Ah! Meron, ayan yung, ala, ang cute. Ito siya, guys. Tapos meron siyang cover na ganyan. Then yung ulo ng pusa. Woohoo! Okay, so gaganahan na ako uminom ng tubig, ng kape. Charot lang. It's so pretty. Puro pink yung mga binigay nila sa akin. And I'm so in love with it. Thank you so much, Claire. So cute. So guys, that's all the gift na Tanggap ko yesterday and we're going to clean na kasi it's really a mess.